Today, you gotta eat sticky ribs with coleslaw. Delish. We've had good weather in Melbourne and it brings to mind spring. And spring for me is barbecue. So today, it's barbecue sticky pork ribs and coleslaw. Except we're in lockdown in Melbourne again. I went to check if there was any gas in the barbecue. And I don't have any gas for the barbecue. And so it's sticky pork ribs in the oven, although you can do them on the barbecue. So let's rock. Here are the ingredients. Here are the ribs, about 450 grams. I've divided them into two for two nice serves, and now we're going to marinate them. To the ribs, add 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Chinese fire spice powder. Let's blend that all together. Get the hands dirty. Cover with cling film and put in the refrigerator. Overnight is best, but between 1 and 6 hours is also acceptable. Remove the ribs from the marinade and place on an oven rack. Cover the tray with foil for easy cleaning. Put the ribs in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Now let's make the coleslaw dressing. Place a half a cup of mayonnaise in a small bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of horseradish cream, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Season with salt and pepper. And stir to combine. Put the mixture aside. After 25 minutes, remove the ribs from the oven, baste the top side and turn the ribs over to baste the underside before returning the ribs to the oven for a further 20 minutes. For the coleslaw, finely slice the red cabbage and the red onion. Grate the carrot before adding it and the other ingredients to a large bowl and mixing in the coleslaw mayonnaise thoroughly. After a further 20 minutes in the oven, remove the ribs. Delish. Here are the ribs, served with coleslaw, steamed potato, broccoli and corn. Yeehaw! Yum. It's my favourite time again. It's taste time. Let's try these ribs. That's delicious. Thumbs up from GT. The ribs are absolutely delicious. So if you like that recipe, give it a like, click subscribe and ring the notification bell and leave comments below, especially if there's something you'd like me to cook. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao! Yeehaw!